You all know Indravadan and his antics. I will not answer the phone, मैं मर दूँ. The RCB fathers are very helpful and they're always there. I have experienced this. Like RCB parents are like always there, always helpful. No gender bias here. Everyone is all. I mean, of course, you all experience it every day, but I'm just speaking from my experience. So 3 cheers to our RCB parents. Hip hip, hooray! Hip hip, hooray! So now, without wasting any further time, we'll start with our panel discussion for today. Ready? So Neha, we'll start with Neha. So Neha, tell me, how did you navigate through the teething period after marriage? शादी के बाद वाला जो initial phase होता है ना, जहाँ पे in-laws के लिए सब नया माहौल होता है. For the daughter-in-law, it's a new phase. You know, because you've been like married since 17 years now, you have an 11-year-old daughter as well. So could you just tell us how did you navigate through?
Good evening, everyone. Okay, I'm here to break the ice. So obviously, I would say it is not easy. It is a roller coaster ride, absolute roller coaster. Okay, but with the help of my spouse, of course, and guidance of elders, it wasn't a cakewalk, but we made through, all of us together.
Any specific tip or any particular thing which you experienced personally which helped you ease the transition?
A lot of patience and a lot of guidance from my parents as well. Okay, yeah. So they knew. So I come from a nuclear family. It wasn't a joint family, but it was a huge family. So I was not always diplomatically correct, I would say, but yes, there was guidance of my parents as well as my in-laws, wherein there were times wherein there were disagreements, but we all came to a point and we worked out.
So I think patience here is really important initially.
And it taught me a lot of tolerance also.
Correct, yes. Thank you so much, Neha. So we all go through that phase then after we settle down a little bit, where we feel that we can relate more to our in-laws over our parents, you know. So Purvi, any such memory or incident that you want to share, since you, like, you know, from the psychology background, like how does it actually like work? Or
Yeah, so I am from business class family, very strict environment. So when I came here, I felt like Jannat, because no restriction, no, nothing. You can live the way you want to live in the house, and everyone can agree with me. My father-in-law is a very progressive person. So whatever decision I have to take, I will go to him next to my husband. That okay, first I'll talk to daddy, first I will listen to him, and then I'll come to you, and then I'll see okay, हम दोनों ने क्या सोचा है. Then it comes to like we share a lot of sad stories or happiness, but I share my income details with him. He's my chartered accountant. So you can understand the bond and the trust which I share with him. And right now I'm talking and he's crying. That is the bond. And in many talks, wherever I go for talk, he will never miss my talk. And today also he see to it that he picks me up, he comes here with me and he said, okay, you can rock, don't worry about it. Whatever decision, like I have joined IWBC, Indian Women's Business Club. I got invite from there. और मैंने सीधा पापा को फ़ोन किया, पापा आई गॉट दिस इन्विटेशन, मैं क्या करूँ. पापा ने बोला देख, इनकम सबसे पहले सेकेंडरी है, तेरा ग्रोथ देख, कहाँ पे तुझे ग्रोथ मिल रहा है. सो पैसा इम्पोर्टेंट नहीं है, ग्रोथ पे ध्यान दे और वही इम्पोर्टेंट है. कनेक्ट विद गुड पीपल. सो आई कंटिन्यूसली गेट दिस इम्पॉर्टेंट. जो मैं यहाँ नहीं देख पाती, वो 10 साल बाद का वो देखते हैं कि इन एट द एज ऑफ 50 वेयर यू विल बी, that we have to work start from here. So I'm really grateful that he is with me forever.
wow, that is amazing story. Wow, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Dr. Anju, how was your transition from a working daughter-in-law to a working mom? Like you being a doctor, I believe that your profession would demand you to work maybe sometimes odd hours or, you know, have emergencies. So how was that phase for you?
So I was lucky that my father-in-law is also a doctor, my husband is doctor, so mother-in-law also knew the working hours would be difficult. So the transition was not really difficult personally because उन्होंने सब देखा हुआ था, उनके एक्सपीरियंसेस वो जानते थे कि ये लेट आएगी, फ़ोन आ जाएगा तो चली जाएगी, घर में कंट्रीब्यूशन उतना नहीं होगा, वो सब उन्हें ऑलरेडी पता था, तो मेरे लिए उतना डिफिकल्ट नहीं था वो स्टार्टिंग वाला फेज.
Any tip you would like to give to the younger moms today? You know, how to navigate, because I think that's a really challenging phase for all working moms. How to manage and how to balance that.
So I would say, please be open to asking for help. They are part of your family.
Very important.
सब जितना आप अपने मम्मी डैडी से कनेक्ट करते हैं, आप ट्राई करें उनके साथ भी कनेक्ट करने का. एंड बिलीव मी, वो भी उसी ट्रांजिशन के थ्रू जा रहे हैं.
Exactly.
वो भी आपको उसी तरह से देखना चाहते हैं जैसे उनकी डॉटर को देखकर. हमने ये बैरियर बना रखा है कि ये डॉटर है, ये डॉटर इन लॉ है.
Correct.
हम वो बैरियर ब्रेक करेंगे तो उनके लिए भी इजी हो जाएगा.
Very well. So, Vansri, just on this, would you like to share some experiences as a newly married working woman?
Yeah, so actually my mother-in-law, she is very well aware. She is being with RBI, so she knows banking background. Sorry. Yeah, so she knows the banking life which we have. So initially it was like in my previous job, it was like I used to come down by 9:30 in the late night. So she was like, okay, we all are waiting, you come, we'll have dinner together. So it's very sorted, like.
Wow, phenomenal Rotarian mother-in-laws and father-in-laws, all of you all are blessed to have. Please, a round of applause. Janvi, not all days are same. How do you deal with the difficult days? You have a five and a half year old boy.
Yes, yes.
So there are like really, you know, some days it's just here also something is burning. This is also on fire. You're working. You're managing the little one. How do you do it?
I think acceptance, once you are in that phase where you accept things, it is very much easier for you to decide that do you have to stress for this thing or you don't. Plus, touch wood, I have that kind of a mother-in-law who would not expect anything from out of me. She just wants me to grow in life. You know what? Whenever I tell her that, Mama, I won't be able to help you with anything in the morning also because my shifts are at 8 o'clock. I leave the house and 8:30 I come back. So she always tells me, you don't have to do anything. I will manage everything. So I don't have to think about my son. I don't have to think about anything else except my work. So it is. I am blessed to have such mothers. But yeah, I have this rule in my life that you should always have a 30-second acceptance rule. And if you believe that there is something happening in your life which you can't change in 30 seconds or a minute, you have to just forget about it. If there is something on your face and you can change that in 30 seconds, okay, happy, done. You have the solution. But if I have a loan to pay, I cannot do that in a minute. I can think about it later. Right now, I'm busy doing my stuff. So acceptance, yes. You have to
So I
accept.
think the dynamics are really changing. The in-laws are being really very open and appreciative of what the daughter-in-laws are doing and supporting them, not just like verbally, but in the literal sense.
Yes.
And that is like really phenomenal. And what she said is really amazing. Like, just give it a 30-second pause. I think a lot of clarity really just like runs through you in those 30
Definitely.
seconds. Rupa, coming to you. Any tips you have to share for the young girls of today? Like, you have been married, like it's been a long journey. You have a 24-year-old son. So for the younger girls of today,
So, good evening to all wonderful people, and feeling blessed to have myself here. So, I have a 24-year-old son, and through my journey, I feel that I'll use Hindi also so that I can connect well. कि young generation को मैं यही बोलूँगी कि कभी भी you don't fear to try new things, explore new things, because मुझे लगता है fear and success ये दोनों चीज़ से हमको experiences तो definitely मिलते हैं, and we all know we are product of our experiences. So experience ज़रूरी नहीं है success से ही आएगा, fear से भी आएगा. So just keep exploring, curiosity रखो हर एक चीज़ जानने की, उसके depth में जाने की, and it will always keep you growing, and you will be definitely a better version of yourself. Thank you.
curiosity, I will take that. Dr. Anju, how do you plan division of responsibilities within the family, which would, help you multitask better? Like, of course, you would be, like, everyone would be responsible for certain things. So how do you do that?
So when I started with the journey with my in-laws and when my daughter was born, वो जो फेज था, हर फेज में इसी तरह से सोचा गया कि उन पे प्रेशर कितना कम आ सके। मैंने स्कूल डॉटर का वो चूज किया जो मेरे वर्किंग आवर्स के हिसाब से मैच होता है। लाइक आई लीव एट 6:30, वो भी 7 o'clock जाती है। आई कम बाय 3-4, वो भी 3-4 आ जाती है। सो मेरे इन लॉज के ऊपर कम से कम प्रेशर आए, वो मेरा फर्स्ट थॉट प्रोसेस था। सेकेंड, उनको मैं जितनी हेल्प प्रोवाइड कर सकूं कि उनको ये कभी भी प्रेशर फील ना हो, बर्डन फील ना हो कि मुझे ये भी करना है, वो भी डॉटर का भी देखना है। सो मैंने एक हेल्प मेड रखी जो बहुत अर्ली रखी। आई मीन वो थोड़ा डिस्कशन था कि कब रखें, बट जैसे ही मेरी डॉटर बॉर्न हुई उस टाइम मैंने उन्हें बोलना शुरू किया कि मम्मी अभी बहुत हेल्प लगेगी, मेरे वर्किंग आवर्स चेंज नहीं होंगे, बढ़ते जाएंगे। एज जब हम करियर में ग्रो होते हैं हमारे वर्किंग आवर्स भी चेंज होते हैं। सर्जन और ये जो हमारी मेडिकल फील्ड है उसमें तो अनप्रेडिक्टेबल है। सो उसमें उनको उनकी लाइफ अफेक्ट नहीं होनी चाहिए। वो आज जब घूमना जाने चाहते हैं, वो कहीं और किसी पार्टी में रोटरी में आना चाहते हैं, उनके ऊपर कोई प्रेशर नहीं रहना चाहिए। सो मैंने बहुत जल्दी एक मेड रखी है। एंड आई थिंक यंगर जनरेशन वो जितना जल्दी एक्सेप्ट करेंगे उनके लिए ईजी होगा, बिकॉज हम सब कुछ करने जाते हैं, वो किसी के लिए पॉसिबल है। आज के ज़माने में पॉसिबल ही नहीं है सब करना।
But this is such a noble thought that your in-laws are always there to take care of the grandchildren, but thinking about them first, small tiny shifts, like you mentioned the school timing, the vicinity of the school, but it helps them also manage their lives and the younger ones so well. So wow, superb. So circling back to Neha, what's your one non-negotiable family value or a rule? We all have that one thumb rule that I will probably adjust a little here, but this is a non-negotiable for me.
See, I don't say everything is black and white. When many people are together, we have to adjust, all of us. It is not me or them, no. All of us, we have to coexist and adjust together. Each and every person in the family, be it a small child या कोई बुजुर्ग हो, सबकी इंडिविजुअलिटी एंड आइडेंटिटी बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट है, सबको रिस्पेक्ट करना चाहिए। This I also learned when I started the project of Talegaon Farms. जैसे फैमिली इकोसिस्टम में बड़े बुजुर्ग का आशीर्वाद और बच्चों का हंसना खिलखिलाना ज़रूरी है, similarly it happened in my project wherein small farmers and small artisans, they were given a platform to show their skill and make money out of it in tough times like COVID, where everyone needed a platform, everyone needed work, everyone needed supplies. So thumb rule is respect everyone, be it small or big, and adjust with everyone. That leads to happy life.
And I think the younger ones are also watching us while we navigate through, the daily
We
life
lead by
challenges.
example.
Yeah, exactly, we lead by example, and this is brilliant. It's really required, like respecting everyone, irrespective of what category they are,
Of
is
course.
very important.
It is important for a good ecosystem of the family.
Absolutely. Even for the society, in a larger picture, if you
Yes.
see, absolutely. Bansini, how was your journey from a daughter to a daughter-in-law? Like, you come from a Gujarati background, married into a Maharashtrian household. How was it?
Yeah, so it's said like in Gujarati, kya bhi bade adjust thai jaye. So it's like that. Like I never felt ki okay, I am a daughter and now I'll be a daughter-in-law. It was so like very easy. It was like okay, I have to eat Gujarati food. Next day I'm eating a Maharashtrian food. But my mother-in-law, okay, she's an amazing Maharashtrian cook. Seriously, believe me. And then sometimes like it happens. I'm like too stuck after my work. My father-in-law, he tells me some examples like, okay, he used to work with Reliance, how hectic it would be traveling, this, that. I used to nag like, okay, I am traveling till BKC, this, that. So the people explain me like, okay, it is, it is part and parcel of life. So you'll have, it is a very easy job, like it is okay. So like that.
Wow, wow. Wow. So I think the value of Rotary, inclusivity could kind of, I can relate that you know, it really helps you then forget your challenges and you just feel so loved and accepted in your family that all that becomes really secondary at one point. Janvi, any one particular incident which gave you a strong sense of belonging, since we are on that topic, with your in-laws, which made you feel a very inclusive part of their family, like after you got married?
I think right after I got married, when it was my first day at home, and my dada was also there in the house, and as you know, our parents, they tell us कि बेटा शादी का नया your चालू हो रहा है, first day, dress up properly, wear all the ornaments, wear a dress. So I took bath and I came out wearing a dress properly, ornaments, everything were there. And my dada calls me and he tells me, "Beta, અહીં આવો." I was like, what happened? So he tells me, "બેટા મને ખબર છે મમ્મી પપ્પાએ બધું સમજાયું હશે તને, પણ આ ઘરમાં તારે કોઈ ડ્રેસ પહેરવાની જરૂર નહીં, કોઈ સાડી નહીં, કોઈ રિસ્ટ્રિક્શન નહીં, તારે આજથી બધા કપડાં તારા જવા દે, બધા જીન્સ લઈ આવ, તને જે પહેરવું હોય પહેર, જે કરવું હોય કર, કોઈ ના નહીં પાડે તને." So you know, it is from the first day. Yes, he has always been there. Even if there could be there is, you know, in everybody's house that few quarrels are there, okay, but he has always been there with me, always. He has never took my in-laws side and he used to always shout on my father-in-law કે તમે આવું નહીં બોલો એને.
Really a lucky man.
Lucky, I'm the luckiest, yes.
Purvi, any advice you would like to give your younger self, you know, like when we look back in life after you know, navigating this journey of a daughter-in-law, mother, successful career person, any advice you would want to give your younger self?
Yeah, so I always tell people that whenever we take, जब भी बर्थ होता है ना, तभी भी हमारी खुद की बायोलॉजी मदर ऑल्सो टेक्स टाइम टू गेट एडजस्ट विद न्यू बॉर्न, एम आई राइट? सो इनको तो जीती जागती 25-26 साल की लड़की मिली है जिसकी खुद की थॉट प्रोसेस है, खुद का चॉइसेस है, तो वी ऑल्सो हैव टू गिव देम टाइम. इट्स नॉट ऑलवेज लाइक दे हैव टू एडजस्ट, इवन वी हैव टू गो विद टू मेन characteristics, and that are like U and T. It's like understanding and trust. Believe me, they are also more stressed than you. कि अरे इसको संभाले कैसे, इसकी इच्छा है, इसका इसे क्या अच्छा लग रहा है, बुरा लग रहा है, बोल रही है नहीं बोल रही है. They are more confused than us. And another thing is, if you go with that mindset, you know, now this is my family. So in psychology, we always emphasize on selecting right words. So मुझे ऐसा लगता है in-laws word निकल जाना चाहिए. Whatever is emphasized with law ना, that we never appreciate or we never welcome. So we have to start calling them parents or godparents, but not in-laws. And instant तो सिर्फ मैगी मिलता है, बाकी कुछ नहीं. तो give 5 years to your family and then see the miracle which I am seeing.
Understanding and trust, very important in any relationship, but particularly when you're transitioning from a daughter to a daughter-in-law, very important. Rupa, anything as a parent which you would like, which you think you would have done differently?
So it's related in context to my son.
Yeah. As a parent, anything you feel you could have done differently, like?
So so because my life, my entire life experience, it was not that smooth, and I'm a single mom. Of course, Papa and Mummy, they were always there as a support. मतलब एनी प्रॉब्लम कुछ भी है, एंड माई फादर इन लॉ तो मेरे बिजनेस रिलेटेड हो कि कोई भी रिलेटेड हो ना, ही विल कीप सेंडिंग मी ऑल द न्यूज़ का स्क्रिप्ट, ये वो, यूरोपा यू गो थ्रू दिस, यू गो थ्रू दिस, नेक्स्ट डे मेक श्योर कि मैंने वो रीड किया कि नहीं. सो दिस ऑल सपोर्ट तो इज ऑलवेज देयर विथ मी. बट आई फील कि आई वॉज लिटिल पैरानॉइड मॉम, एंड मैं मतलब आई फील कि बच्चे को ना, you should not like try to always step in and protect them. It is like let them make their mistakes, let them learn from their mistakes, because वो करने से ना उन लोग को they learn that skills to सॉल्व देयर प्रॉब्लम्स, उनको प्रॉब्लम्स डील करना. मैं थोड़ी पैरानॉइड और ओवर प्रोटेक्टिव थी, तो मैंने ये सब चीज़ों में मैंने बहुत ज़्यादा आई यूज्ड टू ट्राई कि वो बिफोर ही फेल्स और बिफोर उसको कुछ ट्रबल आए या सफ़र करे, आई विल बी देयर टू प्रोटेक्ट हिम. तो ये मुझे लगता है कि ऑफकोर्स आई एम ब्लेस्ड, अभी तो वो ही इज़ अ वेरी मैच्योर सन एंड वेरी अंडरस्टैंडिंग. बट ये चीज़ मुझे लगती है हर एक पेरेंट को ना देखना चाहिए. वी आर ऑलवेज देयर, पर उनको उनके मिस्टेक से सीखना चाहिए और वो अपने प्रॉब्लम से डील करे. एंड देन यू जस्ट डोंट ट्राई टू स्टेप इन एंड बी ओवर प्रोटेक्टिव इज व्हाट आई फील. थैंक यू.
The kids have freedom to, choose what to do, and then even if it's a mistake, learn from their own mistakes. It's really important. Neha, what's your take on can a woman have it all? Like, a perfect family, a successful career, me time, which is very important for our mental sanity. Do you think can a woman have it all?
Yes and no. Okay. Nothing or no one in this world is perfect. We all are learning and evolving. Okay. I think perfection is overrated. What we should strive is for happiness. Being happy ourselves. अगर आपको कंपनी का CEO बन के हैप्पी यू फील तो बी इट. अगर छोटा सा कोई काम करके, छोटी सी फर्म में बेसिक काम करके, फिर घर पे आके फैमिली टाइम इज इम्पॉर्टेंट, वो आपको हैप्पीनेस देता है तो बी इट. मेरे लिए वो परफेक्ट है. मी टाइम, going to a fancy trip with friends, if it is making you happy, be it. That is perfect me time. Just unwinding yourself with a small book in a corner of your house. Happiness? Yes, then it is perfect. So striving for perfection is what we should be not looking at. Rather, if you are happy, everyone around you is happy. And that is perfect life for me.
So I think everyone can have it all. It all depends on how you think and perceive situations and how you overcome the obstacles, if any. I think from this discussion, it's really safe to say that women today don't really belong only in the kitchen. They have equivalent, if not bigger, larger responsibilities as men. Right? Equivalent, everyone agrees? Gone are the days when a woman's achievements were only based on her round rotis. Yeah. Some of the most powerful jobs today in every sector are held by women. Women demand to be respected both at home and workplace, and this I think they've rightfully earned. Any points any experiences or points which you all want to talk about or highlight? Please feel free. Or otherwise, then we can probably have a question and answer session. We have time.
I'll just add one point which I throughout this discussion, one common point which I think nobody could mention and I also missed is communication. Talking to your in-laws, जितना आप उनसे बात करके अपनी प्रॉब्लम डिस्कस करेंगे उतना वो समझेंगे एंड वाइस वर्सा. सो ये मुझे हमेशा हेल्प करता है. सो आई ट्राई टू टॉक एवरीथिंग आउट. दिस इज माई डे, कल मेरा दिन ऐसा है, ये हो सकता है, मैं लेट हो सकती हूँ, एवरीथिंग. It's a two-way street. Communication always helps in all relationships. So
I think it's better to take that initiative and not always wait. कि ठीक है वो पूछेंगे तो बताएंगे. It always helps if you, because we know our day, we know our plan. So it's a good approach to be proactive and share.
Yeah, and I would like to say that never go to your parents for any complaints. Talk to them. Today is the time where they can understand your profile, work profile, your lifestyle. At this moment, I can complain to him about my son as well as his son. So this is very important that they should know each and everything about us and don't interfere your parents, because that can create a lot of chaos in both families. And this chaos requires a lot of solution, and it is never a happy moment that you will enjoy in future also. So avoid all this kind of mature discussion is important in the house. So make this family your family and keep it in your family only.
Lovely. Anyone else? Anyone in the audience want to ask, share with the panel? It's all clear. Okay, wow. So I think we've covered almost.
I want to share. नहीं माइक का जरूर नहीं, माइक का जरूर है. I only want to share that every person in their body there is one धबकता हुआ बॉडी में पार्ट है जिसको हम हार्ट बोलते हैं. बट मैं एक स्टेप आगे बोलूंगा कि बॉडी के बाहर एक धबकता हुआ दूसरा हार्ट है, उसका नाम है डॉटर. Daughter is nothing but a dhabakta heart for the parent. But when I was very excited, I should have, daughter in my own family. But I have two son only. So when, first son married, I was very happy. एक दूसरा heart, which I was expecting as a daughter, has come to my house. So that is why she is very lovable. Very care and said, thank you.
Thank you so much.